Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
And your name, please?
My name is Bagas.
Could you spell that, please?
BAGAS.
Right, Mr. Bagas.
Yes.
A single room for 6 nights.
Yes.
Could you just sign here, please? Thank you, Mr. Here's your key. His room number is 1105 on the 7th floor. Would you like a porter?
Yes, please.
I will just call him. Thank you and enjoy for your stay.
Thank you.
Right.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. I have a reservation.
And your name, sir?
Sure.
My name is Radit.
6 9. Right.
And go to you. Let's play, please.
Coach.
R A D I T.
Yes. Okay. Alright, Mr. Rashid. And there are room
Mr. Ravi?
and single bed and
K card.
shower
Room
on 4, 6, 9.
That's correct.
7 floor.
Hope you just sing, please.
Yes, of course.
Please. Thank you, Mr. Rashid. Yes, and this is your AK. And this is your room number 1105. And on the last 17th floor. And you walk like a monster.
Yes, please.
I just call him and enjoy your stay.
Thank you.